So AI discoverability is something we now have to consider. It used to all be about search engine optimization, having the right keywords so that you'd be the first that pops up on Google. And we still have to consider that. But now, people are asking AI the questions. And how do we get seen by AI so that whatever AI bot or program we're using finds us as a potential answer? Firstly, we want to make sure that our website answers those questions. The really, really basic questions. What do we do? What do we have? Why do we do it? What's our mission and our values? What do we stand for? We don't want to target everyone. Make sure you target your target market and the questions that they're going to ask. This is where blogs come in really, really helpful, because we can have lots of different questions and articles there. And that helps you become the person, the guru that knows the right stuff on your topic. So that's what we want to become. We want to become that source. We want to build ourselves or our business as a source of knowledge. We can be sneaky. We can use AI to write a blog to help attract AI. So we can go about it that way and have a bit of fun with it that way. But what we really want to consider is frequently asked questions, working out what they are, working out what our target market is. So we want to be clear on what the business does. We want to have pages that answer real questions so that you're building authority on the topic to make you that major source. You want to publish your experiences, your first-hand expertise. What is your story? What have you experienced? What have you done? And to make it a relatable and a reliable source, you want to have your name under it. So you always want to have the author's name so that that then links it back to a real person, a real experience, and not just another story that's been written up. You want to make sure your details are consistent. You want to make sure you have a structure that bots are going to understand. So you have little search bots and they have little codes of things they look for. Location, business name, contact details, number of stores. All those little details must be consistent, they must be clear, and we've got to find a way to present them on our online database, on our website, on our social media. If you can interact with other businesses, that then puts your reach further. If you can get it so that other businesses then have your article on their website, that then increases your reliability as a source. So the more that you can partnership with other businesses, the more that you can get them to promote you and you to promote them, the larger the database, the larger the reach you have for AI itself as well. So we also want to make sure we have reviews on there. We've got our frequently asked questions, we have testimonials, but if you've got videos, have the date. Again, we want to have that source to relate it back to. So here is the date, the location, the name, what's on the video. Be really specific about your instructions or your description on your video so that AI can reference back and say, here it is. That also goes with your captions, subtitles, all that sort of jazz. Pop it all in, make it clear, and then there's extra that AI can refer to. Now, the beauty about AI, if you write an article, you can then get AI to do all your marketing tool with that article. Create my social media posts, create a blog post, create this, all these different aspects that you can do. You can put your blog or your article into AI and get it to create an entire suite of marketing material based on that. Of course, you then have to go through, edit it, make sure that it says the right thing, that it's not made anything up, that it's not adjusted anything, but it's still done 80% of the groundwork for you. So AI is a really, really powerful tool. We want to use it in our marketing. We want it to benefit us in its marketing. And it's something that we now have to consider, how we approach our marketing and how we approach creation of content online so that it is discoverable by AI. Now, just a warning, some websites actually block the AI search bot. So you need to make sure when you build your website that you ask your web developer to make sure that it is AI discoverable. Good luck.